Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing one of the most talked about new SUVs arriving in the UK and global markets, the Jaecoo 5 Petrol. This stylish SUV comes with premium design, advanced technology, and an impressive balance of power and efficiency, all wrapped in a price package that makes it a strong competitor against established brands. So let's dive into the full details. The Jaecoo 5 makes an immediate impression with its bold, modern styling. At the front, you'll find a wide signature grille paired with sleek LED headlights, giving it a premium yet aggressive stance. Sharp body lines run across the side profile, highlighting its muscular shape, while the 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty presence. At the rear, slim LED tail lamps and a dynamic bumper design add a sophisticated finish. Overall, it blends rugged SUV appeal with modern urban elegance. Step inside, and you'll notice that the Jaecoo 5 doesn't cut corners on luxury. The cabin is fitted with soft-touch materials, leather-trimmed seating, and a minimalist dashboard layout. A large 13.2-inch infotainment screen takes center stage, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display, ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof create a premium atmosphere. Space is generous, with comfortable seating for 5 and a practical boot capacity, making it ideal for families and long journeys. Under the hood, the Jaecoo 5 Petrol is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivering around 197 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it provides smooth acceleration and an efficient drive. Buyers can choose between front-wheel drive and an all-wheel drive system, giving flexibility for both city driving and weekend adventures. Fuel economy is competitive for its class, offering a great balance between performance and efficiency. Safety is another strong point for the Jaecoo 5. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree parking camera. The SUV also features multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control. Combined with its solid build quality, the Jaecoo 5 is designed to keep both driver and passengers safe and confident on the road. The Jaecoo 5 is competitively priced, starting at around £24,500 in the UK, which puts it in direct competition with models like the Ford Puma, Volkswagen T-Cross, and Nissan Juke. With its premium features, powerful engine, and stylish design, the Jaecoo 5 stands out as one of the best value SUVs entering the market in 2025. To wrap things up, the Jaecoo 5 Petrol is a bold new entry in the compact SUV segment. It offers premium design, advanced features, reliable safety, and great value for money, all the qualities that UK and US buyers are looking for. If you're considering a stylish, practical, and affordable SUV, the Jaecoo 5 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and updates on the latest automotive launches.